some subscribers in your channel. This might be the reason why. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be telling you why you're not having views and you're not having subscribers in your channel, especially views, because as a new creator you're struggling with having views, but the views are not forthcoming, the subscribers are not coming. These are the particular settings that you need to turn off for it to actually break through and have lots of subscribers and start having views, especially if your channel is new as a small creator. So you want to use these tips that I'm going to be telling you guys in this video. So make sure that you stick in to watch video from starting to the end, so you don't miss out on anything, because it's going to be very short and well detailed. So you don't have to disturb yourself. All you have to do is watch this video to the very end, because video is a very short one. So you don't want to miss out on any of the details. So guys, let's dive into this tutorial. So let's go. So what you want to do number first is that you want to use a name that is well detailed, a searchable name. What your channel should be all about, should be in your name. Let's say for instance you're talking about YouTube growth or you're talking about TikTok growth. So the channel name should carry a keywords about your channel. So you should carry a keywords about your channel. I don't know if you guys are getting me. So let's say for instance now my channel was actually Chinese Glam World earlier, because I was doing more TikTok tutorials. So meanwhile I see that I'm doing more TikTok tutorials, I'm having views on TikTok tutorials and I'm having views on makeup. So what I did, I just changed it to the real Chi. So you can just come about and put Chi the creator or Chi hacks or favors hacks, anything that is in your name. Then if you're somebody that your niche is about food, you can cook with me or cook with favor or cook with Chi. Just make sure that your niche is carrying a keyword in your niche. Your channel is carrying a keyword in your niche. That is the first thing that you want to do. You don't want to miss out on this particular thing, because this is the thing. So when people search on a particular word in your keyword, in your channel name, so you want to make sure that you do all of these things, because this is the settings that you really have to do. You have to do all of these things so you do not make a mistake or you do not miss out. Okay. So number two thing on the list is to customize your channel. So all you want to do is go to the Chrome browser. You're going to type TikTok Studio in the Chrome browser. So you're going to be using the desktop version. You're not going to be using the main TikTok Studio app. What you want to be using is the TikTok version, that's the desktop version of the TikTok Studio. So you want to log in and you're going to click on the channel customization. So once you click on the channel customization, it's going to take you to an option whereby you're going to start customizing your channel. So you want to start customizing your channel. So I'm going to be putting a record by here. I'm going to put a screenshot so you can get around with it, because it's very simple. So you want to recommend your videos that are doing well to your new viewers, and then it's either you recommend the videos that are doing well, you can recommend recent content only, because you want to arrange your channel in a way that anybody that comes to your channel will be able to find help with a particular thing on your channel. So you want to make sure that your channel is well organized for a new creator or for a new sub to your channel. Yes, you want to make sure you're arranging your channel in a way that new people can easily go around your channel and see what they're looking for and get their problems solved. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're recommending the new content. So this is a new setting that you have to really turn on. You have to work on this particular setting so that your channel can be recommended more. So your content can be recommended more to new people. So another option, the least option that we're going to be talking about, that's the last option. So the last option for this video is to optimize your channel, the optimization hack. So optimization hack is the optimization setting is you want to set your channel in a way that anybody that's searching for a particular kind of topic will find your channel. So you want to make sure that your channel, this is what your channel is talking about. Let's say your channel is all about makeup. You want to put some relevant keywords. You want to do a search engine optimization on your channel. So you want to put the relevant keywords about what your channel is all about in your description. Yes, you're going to be finding this option in the description. So you want to make sure and get the relevant keywords that you want to add to your channel. So these are the things that you really need to do. If you don't know how to get relevant keywords, you can make use of the ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to find out relevant trending keywords for you, so you can add it to your channel, so that when people search your videos and when you search a particular thing, they can find your channel. So these are the tricks and the things that you have to really employ for you to get everything set on your channel. So make sure that you use all of these settings, turn on all of these settings, fix all of these issues, and see yourself getting subscribers and views on your videos. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you again on another one. Please do not forget to like, comment, share this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again.